In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PSD file in Gimp quickly and easily, even if you've never done it before. If you work with Photoshop files and want to use them in Gimp, this simple method will help you get started in just a minute or two. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, launch Gimp on your computer. Once the program opens, you'll see the main workspace. And from here, there are two easy ways to open your PSD file. The first way is to use the top menu bar. Go up to File, then click Open. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+O on Windows or Linux, or Command+O on a Mac. That shortcut is a fast way to bring up the file browser without having to click through the menus. After the file browser opens, browse through your folders and find the PSD file you want to work with. Click on the file once to select it, then hit Open. Gimp will begin loading the file into the editor. Depending on the size of the PSD and how many layers it contains, it may take a moment to fully open. Once it loads, your Photoshop document should appear inside Gimp, ready for editing. Now, if you want an even faster method, you can simply drag the PSD file from your desktop or File Explorer and drop it directly into the empty Gimp workspace. This is a really convenient option if you already have the file visible on your screen. Gimp will automatically detect the file and open it for you. Again, give it a moment to import, especially if the PSD is complex or contains multiple layers. If the file does not look exactly the same as it did in Photoshop, that can happen sometimes because Gimp and Photoshop handle certain effects, text layers, or advanced features differently. But for most standard PSD files, this method works very well and lets you access the file contents without any trouble. So to quickly recap, you can open a PSD file in Gimp by launching the program, going to File and then Open, selecting your PSD and clicking Open. Or if you want a faster approach, just drag and drop the PSD file into the Gimp window. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Gimp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.